Now I will solve this question. Write a Python program to count and print the number of vowels in a given string using the for loop. So the text is hello world. Then I just initialize as equals to 0. Now whatever vowels I found, I will count in this as. Then vowel equals to A I O U A E I O U. I have to use a for loop. So for I in text, if I in vowel s equals to s plus 1. So if I found first I in a text, if I means text in vowel, if I found a vowel in text, then I should increment this 0 to 1. Now print as, yeah, so 3. In this text we have 3 vowels.